It's already 2:17 in the morning. Oh my god, pauwi pa lang ako. So basically I studied from 9 PM to 2. Tapos yung 1 hour, 1 to 2, nag-answer ako ng bar question. And yun, medyo mas madali na mag-answer. Tapos may mas flow na yung pag-answer ko. Pero again, marami pa siyang lapses. Ano ba? So I'm so tired, man. Still have to be at work so early tomorrow since I have something to do na appointment para sa mga estudyante. But it's fine. It's kind of really, the pressure is creeping in, really. I feel like it's something, I feel like na parang nakahag siya sa akin na ganito siya. Tangina mo, mag-aaral ka. So I promise from now on, whether I'm sad, whether I'm happy, whether I'm doing good mentally, physically, or anything doesn't matter. I'm gonna study my ass off. I have 297 days to change my life. I have those 120 questions. Yun ang mag-change ng buhay ko eh. So nasa sa akin yun kung papasahin ko ba or hindi, kung mag-aasikaso ba or hindi. So ang ano ngayon, every day I will answer at least 3 to 5 bar questions, no matter what. Kahit gaano ka pagod, kahit gaano ka hassle, kahit gaano ka drain, I'm gonna do it. Of course I'm gonna rest. Siyempre mag-rest din, kailangan din yun. Pero this is a wake up call for me. Less than 300 days na lang. So I just wanna do it once. I wanna pass it first take. I don't wanna prolong this agony. So yeah, I'm gonna do my best. No more excuses. Nothing else matter. Become a lawyer. Bye bye. I'm out.